Today we will see Fiat Chrysler automobile cars manufacturing unit at Brampton, Canada. The assembling starts with stamping press station. The high-pressure machine press the sheet and the car bonnet is made. Now the robots weld the body, then it moves to the next assembly. Next, the doors are installed using a lifting device. Now metrology robots inspect and take dimensional measurements of the body. After that, the robot paints the body with sealant paint. Next, the car is painted according to the customer's selection. Later on, the car is cleaned by an automatic roller. Now the car is painted with a filler coating color. The clear coat is sprayed on the car. Then the suspensions are attached with a pre-assembled engine. Now the dashboard is installed through the lifting device. Next, the seats and tires are installed and tightened. Finally, the car is ready to be driven in the streets.